Welcome to Wild Stallion Mane. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Mane Growth Elixir and get the best results for optimal hair growth. Step 1. Preparation. Now before using the elixir, always start with a patch test to make sure your skin has no reaction. Apply a small amount either on your wrist or on the back of your ear and leave it in for at least 24 hours. Here's what you do. Now I'm wearing a watch, so I'm just going to put it here, all right? And right on my arm, just a little droplet. There you go, liquid gold. Bam. All right, you're just going to rub that in, all right? You're going to want to leave that in for at least 24 hours just to make sure you don't get a rash, you don't get any sort of reaction, okay? It's just play it safe. It's best to play it safe. You never know, right? And why the wrist or your ear? It's just less irritating, those spots. If you apply it straight to your head and then you get some sort of reaction, you're gonna regret it if it's all over your head, opposed to if it's just on your wrist or on your ear. Now, if you have a nut allergy, you more than likely you wanna stay clear from Mane Growth Elixir. There's definitely nut extractions in here. But in most cases, once you are greenlit for the best results, apply the elixir to clean hair. And for that, you're going to want to use our Mane Growth shampoo and conditioner. Coming soon. So you're going to want to use these beforehand. It's going to help prepare your scalp and hair for application. Step 2, application process. Now, to apply our elixir, part your hair into small sections, about a 1/4 inch or so to ensure an even spread. If your hair isn't long enough for that, don't worry about it. You can apply directly to the scalp. Using the dropper, apply a small amount directly onto your scalp, especially focusing on the thinning areas. Less is more. You don't want to use too much, as this can lead to buildup, greasy hair, or even worse, you can clog your pores. That won't be fun. Now, if you're wearing a sort of protective style, place the spout between the braids or tracks. Lightly apply the serum along the scalp. Now, me personally, I got that Hulk Hogan hair going on, okay? Your everyday male pattern baldness. My hair thins at the top of the head, right at the crown, and eventually it created a bald spot on the back of my head. I've heard it been called an eagle's nest. Not only do I primarily focus my efforts there, but this also helps extend how long a single bottle will last you. For me, it generally takes me about a month and a half until I need to get a refill. Step 3, scalp massage. After applying, it's time to stimulate your hair. Massage your scalp for up to 3 to 5 minutes using your fingertips. That's right, gentlemen. It's time to put that technique you learned in college to good use. Focus on circular motions with medium pressure to boost circulation. Not too hard, not too soft. This will help ingredients like peppermint, ginseng, and rosemary work their magic on your hair follicles. If you have a scalp massaging tool, I highly recommend using it, as it creates blood circulation to the scalp, which delivers more oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles, potentially stimulating their health and function. It can also help exfoliate the scalp, remove product buildup, and reduce stress, all contributing to a healthier hair growth environment. Plus, it feels absolutely amazing. Same thing, you want to apply circular motions with medium pressure. Step 4, leave-in treatment. The Mane Growth Elixir is designed to be a leave-in treatment, so there's no need to wash it out. No. Leave it all in overnight or wear it all day for maximum results. I personally prefer applying the Mane Growth Elixir at night, right before I go to bed. This allows the powerful ingredients to penetrate the scalp and hair strands deeply overnight. Use the serum daily, or at least 4 to 5 times a week, to really see the difference. Step 5, wash routine. For your wash routine, use Mane Growth shampoo and conditioner at the bare minimum 2 to 3 times a week if you have generally healthy scalp. If you are in the hair growth stage, daily is my recommendation. After washing, apply a small amount of the elixir right after. Step 6, track your progress. Don't forget to track your progress. Take photos. Take a picture. You're gonna want that before and after photo. Trust me. Take a before picture and measure your hair length. Every 7 to 14 days, check back and take a new photo. I also encourage you to share your success stories with us on our social media channels. Seeing progress will help you stay motivated and keep you on track on your journey. Step 7. Additional tips. For the best results, combine our elixir with a balanced diet, rich in hair healthy vitamins like biotin, zinc, and omega-3s. Stay hydrated and minimize heat styling to give your hair the best chance to thrive. Now, I know I'm not the guy to be preaching about a healthy diet. I know. I'm right there with you. I'm working on it. I'm right there with you. Check out our weekly blog for a more in-depth guide to hair healthy diet. Is our Mane Growth Elixir for children? Mane Growth Elixir is safe for kids ages 2 and up, but always do a patch test before full application. It's better safe than be sorry. If you're ready to grow strong, beautiful, strong, sexy hair, start using our Mane Growth Elixir today. And don't forget to subscribe for more hair growth products, tips, and updates from Wild Stallion Mane. Don't miss out on the chance to unleash your mane potential. Check out this video here for more hair growth inspiration.